Affiliate marketing guidelines that are easy to understand. Affiliate marketing can be a very profitable investment if you take the time to learn the tips and tricks of the trade. Watching this video is a great first step to succeeding in your affiliate marketing venture. You are sure to find great tips that will improve the plan you have developed. It is best to hide purchase links to an affiliate's product a few pages deep in a website. This cushions the casual visitor from hard sell techniques and ensures that visitors who find the affiliate link do so because they have a genuine interest in the product. The pages leading to the product link should encourage this interest. Understand the true concepts behind affiliate marketing. Spam tactics and pressure to buy will not help you to increase your sales. Remember that only people who actually buy a product will generate revenue for you. Just because someone clicks on a link does not mean you get paid. Understanding the concept can make all the difference between success and failure. Make sure that you like and trust the product you are asking your audience to click on. If you are heavily promoting items that are not good or spamming your page with every type of program imaginable, people will stop coming. It's your repeat visitors that will make or break you. Don't lose their trust in you. Look for companies that provide two-tier affiliate commission programs. This is a great source of passive income for you. The two-tier program will earn you money if a customer you referred ends up selling the product themselves. You will earn a commission based on the product they sell. Incorporate these valuable tips in your affiliate marketing plan and you will reap the rewards. Much time and thought have been put into gathering this information for you to use. Take the time to absorb the information and apply it to your soon-to-be profitable affiliate marketing business. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.